What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself, man. I don't know the thing going on, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and NEWLINK from NEWLINK Productions, see? So people, boy, me I tell you now. Right about now, the Apple man them I got to talk about, because that one yeah, it's serious, people. It's not joke thing about it. You get me I say? No joke thing about it. And this is about the 27 Jamaican farm workers them who them say test positive for COVID-19 over in a Vermont in a United States after arriving over there a couple of weeks ago. Well, viewers and subscribers, on Monday it is said that the result come back positive, and among the group of workers over there, the only positive result was from these men, and they are all Jamaicans. And what they are saying, people, is that these men bring the virus over there from Jamaica. Because what they must say is the man them came over there and they was in quarantine all the time while the test was conducted. They never go amongst it, you know what I mean? And the result do come after that and such and such. So basically they bring the virus over there. And what I'm saying now, people, I'm not gonna say a lie them I tell. You know what I mean? Because these are farm workers who was among each other and thing. You get me? But I know in a Jamaica I heard, you know what I mean, that they have a system where they do keep them in quarantine before. And then we did hear a next thing say nothing no go, so them and them left straight from them yard and go up on plane. And if I saw a thing I go on, people, it can do happen then, Zine, and it's a big risk. Well, out of the 27, they said only one of them was in hospital, you know what I mean, getting treatment pertaining. The other one them was in quarantine, in isolation, you know what I mean, in recovery process. And the farm workers, something under the orchard, who bring them or who respond to them, said they will be responsible for feeding them, you know what I mean, for the time that they're there and thing, still give them a local thing and thing, you know what I mean, and any medical coverage, they will cover the medical bill. But what they must say, they are going to do some tests on other workers now, who is from other parts, who, you know what I mean, who maybe come across any one of these 27 men. And in the next thing, people, what them say also is that none of them workers who is not, you know what I mean, Jamaican or what, never contracted this thing. And boy, remember earlier, you know, I did do a vlog about the one them who they got Canada people. And I did blast some attack on them. So listen here, you know the thing set, you know what go on, you still take the risk and go over there, then you go come so boom and catch the thing. And a whole heap of something they go on when NEWLINK drop and blast some attacks of them full. We still the people say them man, they have their family to feed and this and that, and you can, you know what I mean, which, yeah, bypass that done and gone. But now people, looking into this thing and now right now, no joke about it. Zine, Vermont, according to what the information that's reaching NEWLINK, is one of the places in the United States that has the less infections of the COVID-19. You understand? So when you will find other places over there that do got the COVID thing, other places over there don't got it. So it's a thing where it's a shocking, you know what I mean? And they said on that day, which is Monday gone, was one of the highest day from a while. They have this big record number of these positive tests. So boy, it's still away, people, and it's no joke. You know what I mean? And me I think say the man them really go over there with it. Them really go over there with it. So yo, it's set away, people, and you have me I think a lot. You have my brain puzzled so much, and only thing I can do, people, is just viewers and subscribers. What do you all think? You know, because me no want to come judge and say yo, them bring it. Me no want, me just don't know what to say, people. But just don't know. And news are reached NEWLINK today that, and next one of them now, they do get another positive test of one more yard man again. So it's set away, and it's not joke thing. But we know so them and them want better, and they do travel over there for better. You understand? Financial reasons back home and thing with family wise and thing, you get me? But honestly, people, it's a risk when me know personally me not take. I'm being honest. Me could have traveled to Jamaica right now. You get me and say, my back to school trip the other day. Me could have easily get a ticket and go down. But what? But now I do it, people. It's risky. Me no want to go down stay so boom, contract the thing and then go pass it on to other people. Same way, you know what I mean? And look at it. Me got a yard right now. Me have to go quarantine out for 2 weeks before me can touch street. Which enough people have break the thing them nah do. And them a put risk to other people out there. Which me no want to be the one to come so boom and go pass on this thing to other people. You get me? I say me have to show my respect to other people. But what I'm saying, viewers and subscribers, it's really tough and it's hard. You know what I mean? But leave in the comment section what you all think about these people. What you feel, you know what I mean? Just leave in the comment section and yo, we can know from there. What you think? What do you think? Did these men bring it over there, or you think they contracted this over there or while on the plane? What do you think? Just leave in the comment section and then we can say, yo, John no star. You know what I mean? But honestly, people, I just hope all of them can recover from this and none of them do get, you know what I mean, no bad infection where it can do cause death or anything like that. As me telling you to the news, I reach NEWLINK, it's just one of them was in the hospital at the time, you know what I mean, and this information was coming in from yesterday until today, you know what I mean, basically, and no death has been confirmed or anything like that. And in Vermont, they said they have over 1,000 positive cases since, you know what I mean, this whole thing start leak. As I'm telling you, it's one of the lowest part in the United States with the amount of COVID thing, and they only have like over 50 deaths. You know what I mean? Like 58 deaths since the whole pandemic are going. How much people, you know? So over 200,000 people pass away over USA pertaining to the COVID thing. So it's a way of viewers and subscribers. But in the end, what you all think? You understand? All I can say, man, we know the family, them, a lot of them are worried, a lot of them are think and are pray and are hope, say this and that. But I'm thinking and I'm saying, anyone in Jamaica who know they do come across any one of these men, just for safety or anything like that, please do get a test done. You get me? I say, because according to what they are saying, people, these men do carry the thing over there. And you know what the thing got, maybe it can be 1 or 2 of them infected and they pass it on to others. But I'm saying, you know, it's a big blue, you know, 27 one time, 27 yard man, and today reached the 28. Yo, it, as me tell people, it have my mind puzzled. You have my brain thinking. But in the end, me no want to say things that me not to say. You understand? But just want to be on the realest level where me can be, where people can understand what levels me depend. You know what I mean? Because me even a blast no attack on. You get me like a Canada thing. Because this is a different situation, people. I'm being honest. Because if me see artists fly over so and a perform and how much people, John know make them and them go work then. Basically, because no rules now go on, nothing now set, so you know what I mean? You like the whole place over there open up because I see how much artists fly out and keep showing a club how much people today and this not distancing and a jump and a wind up and this. Then make them and them going to the farm go pick the apple in. You know what I mean? But I'm saying I'm not taking that risk with my life. You know what I mean? So every man must know what they want. You don't know the thing of viewers and subscribers. This is NEWLINK, you know, from NEWLINK Production. And that's enough love, enough respect, and stay blessed and stay positive. Peace out. Remember to do subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, NEWLINK_Production Official. On Facebook, NEWLINK Production. Twitter, NEWLINK Production. Peace out. Big up.